Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 7x16 Colorado off-road trailers we just got in stock. This one's in our bronze blackout package. These are true off-road trailers as they do come with about 19 inches of ground clearance, and they are multi-use as they're insulated with Windows Power AC. Whole bunch of goodies on them. You guys can view our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. And if you're not in Colorado, no worries, we ship, so we can get you a shipping quote and get one of these delivered right to your door. This one again is our 7x16, does come with a 7-foot interior height, so these do work great for most UTVs and side-by-sides out there. This bronze is also our thicker aluminum skin. You do have a generator box and platform on the front, so a place for that generator to ride and store. Removable front coupler, side swivel jack, does have a 30-amp plug. That's that little black plug that you see right there, so it is generator ready. Does not come with a generator, but again, it is generator ready. Here is this side of the trailer. These trailers sit up really tall. They're just under 11 feet in total length, as they are a lot bigger than your standard trailer out there. Side door has an RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection. Step off that side door so you can get in and out easier. 2 party lights off the side, so you have some exterior light. And then you do have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder. That is a 7x7 up there rack. It is good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. And then you also have the 32-inch Mudterrain tires, black American racing wheels, and brakes on all 4 right there. Stabilizer jacks off of the rear, so you can have that extra stability. Rear ramp door, of course, and this also has the rear deck option on it, so you guys can use it as a ramp door or a deck and have some exterior space there. Load lights off the back, so you've got light off of the rear of the trailer, so you can see when you need to load and unload at night. And then these trailers are also equipped with a battery and a battery box and a battery charger, which is that right there. Great feature because you don't have to be plugged into a generator or power or your vehicle to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. That's going to run your puck lights on the inside. Right here, it also runs the party lights and load lights off of the back. So again, 7-foot interior height in here. You do have 4 D-rings, 2 here in the front. Spin around, you've got 2 more there in the rear, so you do have some great tie down points. And then you do have 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights as well. Here's your AC unit, and then a maxx roof vent. Doesn't have a fan in it, but you can see it does have that bubble cover over it, so you don't have to worry about it leaking water in if you guys forget to close that. 2 18x44 slider windows with screens. This is a tinted lockable window, so some good versatility there. And then you've also got the Performance Nudo floor with Dry Max. This is a great product, super durable. Underneath side of the trailer does have the Dry Max, which is a water resistant product. So it's not gonna absorb the water and moisture like a regular wood floor. Meant to last a whole lot longer. 3,500 pound payload capacity, and this trailer does weigh about 3,500 pounds as well. And again, you've got 7-foot interior height in here, so tall enough for most of those UTVs and side-by-sides. And then here's your interior outlets as well. I believe you do have 4 interior outlets and then the 1 exterior GFI outlet. So set up for multi-use so you guys can play, work, haul, and just get a lot of bang for your buck out of these trailers. So again, you can reach us at sales@getmytrailer.com, shoot us an email, go to the website, getmytrailer.com, or you can try and reach us, 303-688-8485. And again, we ship, so if you guys aren't in Colorado, no worries, we can get one of these delivered right to your door. And be sure to like and subscribe.